Welcome to Sutastynutrition. Today's topic is probiotics and probiotics foods. Probiotics and prebiotics are the two popular health and nutrition topics. Both prebiotics and probiotics are essential for human health and wellness. Probiotics are live beneficial bacteria that can be found in certain foods. Probiotics provide many health benefits. Probiotics help to ferment, decompose, and digest the food we eat. Probiotics help stimulate the growth or repopulation of microbes in our gastrointestinal tract. Probiotics from foods promote gastrointestinal health and may help maintain a barrier against unhealthy microorganisms and inhibit their growth. What are probiotics foods? Yogurt and fermented foods are good food sources of probiotics. Kimchi, sauerkraut, shredded cabbage fermented in brine, pickled vegetables, and some types of unpasteurized pickles are all good food sources of probiotics.